Good morning, dear children. Today I am sending you the video of MCQs of lesson 1 solid state. Okay. The first question is the volume occupied by atoms of the total volume of simple cubic lattice. Yani volume occupied by atoms divided by total volume of simple cubic lattice. So simple cubic lattice, how many atoms are there? 1. So volume of one atom is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. And what is the volume of cube? A cube. A cube in simple cubic lattice, A is equal to 2r. Do you remember, children, the structure? So A is equal to 1r plus 1r, 2r. Okay. So volume occupied by the atoms is equal to 4 upon 3 pi r cube into down 8 r cube. 2r ka whole cube is 8 r cube. When you will divide, it will become pi upon 6. So out of the 4 options, pi upon 6 will be the correct answer. Second question, in the unit cell of a compound, atoms of A are arranged at 7 corners. ठीक है बेटा, 8 corners होते हैं, उसमें से 7 पे arranged है A, and B are arranged at the center of each face. So A के सामने क्या लिखेंगे? 7 into 1 upon 8. Why? Because only 7 corners are occupied. So 7 into 1 upon 8 divided by 6 faces shared between 2. 6 into 1 upon 2, because B atoms are at the faces. So it will be 7 upon 8 into 2 upon 6. When you will divide, it will become 7, and here 4 6 are 24. So A के सामने 7, therefore formula will be A7, and B के सामने 24, so B24. Formula of the compound will be A7B24. In this question only, like here 6 is there, so you have to put 6 into 1 upon 8. If any atom is missing from the corner, then you have to see how many corners are missing, like that. Third question, percentage of free space in a BCC unit cell. So packing efficiency कितनी होती है BCC में बेटा? 68%. तो free space कितनी होगी? 100 minus 68. पैकिंग इफिशियंसी को माइनस कर दो तो इज इक्वल टू 32%. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, अ सॉलिड सॉल्यूशन ऑफ SrCl2 स्ट्रॉन्शियम क्लोराइड इन NaCl. कैसा डिफेक्ट है बेटा? इम्प्योरिटी डिफेक्ट. प्योर क्रिस्टल में इम्प्योरिटी इज एडेड, सो दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ इम्प्योरिटी डिफेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ZnO इज वाइट, जिंक ऑक्साइड इज वाइट व्हेन इट इज कोल्ड एंड येलो व्हेन इट इज हीटेड. जब हीट करते हैं तो कौन सा डिफेक्ट आता है? बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ मेटल एक्सेस डिफेक्ट द कलर बिकम्स येलो. इफ यू रिमेंबर इन आवर बुक, Farbenzenter center of NaCl is mentioned there. Same way, zinc oxide is white in color when it is cold, and it will be yellow in color when it is heated because of the presence of extra metal, that is zinc. Okay, so it is metal excess defect. Next is, which substance show both Frankel and Schottky defect? Most of you must be knowing this answer. It is AgBr. Next is, an element A has FCC structure. ठीक है, edge length equal to 361 picometer. So apparent radius यानी R of atom A is, formula we have to remember. So in FCC, R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. A is given to us 361. 2 into root 2 यानी 1.414. So when you will divide 361 divided by 2 into 1.414, it will give us 127.6 picometer. Correct. Next is, sodium metal crystallizes at room temperature in a BCC with cell edge length is 4.29 angstrom. Correct. The radius of sodium atom is R. फाइंड करना है. So BCC में R का फॉर्मूला याद रखना है. FCC में भी रिमेंबर R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. In BCC, R is equal to root 3 upon 4A. So root 3 upon 4 into A is 4.29. No need to convert angstrom if all the options are in angstrom only. अगर कोई और ऑप्शन है, मीटर है, सेंटीमीटर, तो कन्वर्ट करोगे. So answer will be 1.85 angstrom. Next question is, Gold crystallizes in FCC. Atomic radius of gold is given 0.144 nanometer. What is the length of the side of the cell? So FCC में we know R is equal to A upon 2 root 2. A find करना है, edge length. What is the length of side of cell? So A is equal to 2 root 2 into R. So R is given to us 0.144. 2 into root 2 की value 1.414. When you will multiply, it will become 0.407 nanometer. As it is given in nanometer, so answer is in nanometer. Next question is, the cubic unit cell of aluminium, whose molar mass is 27 gram per mole, has edge length 405 picometer. Its density is also given. But as you see, density is given in gram per centimeter cube, and here it is given in picometer. So the cubic unit cell is which type of cell? ठीक है, तो इसके लिए मुझे Z फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. फॉर्मूला सबको मालूम है, D इज इक्वल टू Z इंटू एम अपॉन ए क्यूब इंटू एन ए. Z मालूम होने से मुझे पता चल जाएगा कि ये किस टाइप का क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल है. So first we will convert. A is 405 picometer. Let us convert it in centimeter. Why? Because density is given in centimeter. So it is 405 into 10 raised to power minus 10 centimeter. Z I have to find out. So Z is equal to D into A cube into NA divided by M. D is given to us. A का क्यूब निकाल लिया into NA यानी value of Avogadro number divided by M यानी 27. When you will divide children, division में क्या करना है, simply calculator से करना है, but you have to be very careful. Like 405 into 405 into 405 into 2.7 into 6.022, जितनी वैल्यू है उसको 27 से डिवाइड कर दो और 10 का पावर अलग से सॉल्व कर लो. So it will give you 4 atoms. If it is 4 atoms, that means it is a FCC, because in FCC only 4 atoms are there. Next question is, an element possesses in BCC structure with a cell edge at 288 picometer and small a is equal to 288 picometer. The density of this metal is 7.2 gram per cm cube. How many atoms does 208 gram of element can contain? ठीक है, तो पहले D का फॉर्मूला लिख लिया. Then we found out molar mass. So molar mass, how to find out? D into A cube into Na upon Z. Z will be 2 here. Why? Because it is BCC structure. So 2 से divide कर दिया. It has become 51.75 gram. Now molar mass is 51.75 gram. So in 51.75 gram, 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms are there. So 208 grams में how much? This into this divided by 51.75. So it will give us the figure 24.16 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. The question is very important, beta. You have to go through this. I am sending you the PDF also. Next is, which of the following is a good conductor of electricity? So answer will be G for graphite, G for good conductor. Diamond, graphite, solid NaCl, wood. How many defects exist in the arrangement of the constituent particles of 7.45 gram KCl? तो पहले KCl का एटॉमिक मॉलिक्यूलर मास निकाल लेंगे. 39 प्लस 35.5. सो 39 प्लस 35.5 will give us 74.5. So number of moles of KCl, N of number of moles of KCl is equal to small m 7.45 divided by its molar mass. It will give us 0.1 mole. 1 mole KCl में 10 raised to power 6 Schottky defect होते हैं. It is given in the textbook. So 0.1 mole, how much? This many defects. Next question is, in which of the following crystals is Frankel defect observed? AgBr, AgI, ZnS and all. So in all of them the Frankel defect is observed. What is the number of ions per cc, cc यानी cubic centimeter, in crystal of NaCl at normal temperature? So At normal temperature, number of ions per cc in crystal is 10 raised to power 22 ions. It is also given in the textbook. Okay. What is the total volume of atom present in BCC unit cell having length of one edge is 69.3 picometer, and small a is 69.3. So for BCC, R is equal to root 3 upon 4a. So root 3 upon 4 into a यानी 30 पिकोमीटर. तो टोटल वॉल्यूम पूछ रहा है बेटा. BCC में हाउ मेनी टोटल एटम्स वुड बी देयर? 2. So volume of 2 atoms of BCC is 2 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 2 into 4 upon 3 pi r we have already calculated 30 picometers, so 30 का whole cube. When you will multiply, this will give you the figure 2.26 into 10 raised to power 5 pm cube. So today you practice these many questions. I will send you more questions. Okay beta, thank you.